Hello there. We are back in our office, setting up. Shaq and I are very excited to see you. We're waiting for Erica to get back here. Today is our setup day, so we set up our servers. Behind me is a pile of our world-famous photographic equipment, and yes, right on the top there's a pile of bills, I'm sure. So glad to be back down in San Francisco. A very heartfelt, very emotional trip down, seeing people in coffee shops for the first time in weeks. Absolutely incredible. SFO strong. Hope to see you soon. Give us a call. We're doing curb service outside, by appointment in the office, or we're still doing our concierge service if you'd like us to come to you. Come and give your jewelry a spa treatment. Ciao for now.